Today, I'm thrilled to unveil a groundbreaking 3-mode operation LED driving light. Meet Beast by Lightforce. This powerhouse isn't just any light, it's a game changer in performance lighting, proudly Australian made. Boasting a beam length up to 1,500 metres, an IP69K waterproof rating and a crisp 5,700K colour temperature, the Beast ensures you're in command of any situation with confidence. But here's the real kicker. Beast boasts a unique 3-mode operation, allowing you to effortlessly switch between spot, flood and beast mode, all from the comfort of your driving seat. To access all these modes, we recommend adding a universal wiring harness. Whether you're navigating long terrains or embarking on thrilling adventures, Beast guarantees an unrivaled driving experience with its reliability and precision. And let's not overlook its rugged design. Beast is built to withstand the toughest conditions. With features like a military-inspired rear bash plate, a hard-coated lens and a slimline footprint. It's a perfect blend of beauty and brawn, designed to exceed expectations and elevate your driving journey. So why wait? Unleash the wild your way and transform your nighttime driving experience with Lightforce.